Let's put your name on the front cover of a book. My name is John Caulfield, and I'm a best-selling author. I've written just over 30 books. I've got 3 million books in print around the world in 15 countries. I've done the writing thing a number of times, focusing on nonfiction. And that's what we're going to do in my class, Your Name on the Cover. I'm going to walk through everything you need to know about the nonfiction writing process. But we're not just going to talk about it, we're going to do it. On the first night of the class, you're going to walk out of that room with a complete outline for your nonfiction book. Then in the second class, we're going to dive more into the writing process itself. What does it look like to sit down and write a book? What are the things you're going to run into? What is the Chapter 18 problem? We're also going to talk about editing. How do you make your book sound great? We're going to talk about the language that you use, how to find your voice in your book. If you've always wanted to write a nonfiction book, this is going to be a great place to start. And if you've already worked on one, even better. Bring what you've got and we'll sharpen it, make it better for you. You can sign up right now for the class by calling Continuing Studies or signing up online. I hope you'll join me. We're going to have a blast.